right? So morning I given the some questions of about the percentages, right? So from that, continuing that, right? So note down the question. So price decreased by 30%. Okay. Expenditure decreased by 16%. So family purchased 32 kg more. Find current consumption. Find current consumption. Right? Try to answer it, ma. Okay, 192. Okay, very good. Yashwant. Okay, very good, Saujanya. Remaining all of you, ma. You have to done. Okay, very good, Sundari. Okay, right. Check it out. So if price is 100, expenditure is 100. Price is reduced by 30%. That means 70. Expenditure also reduced by 16%. That means what? 84. Right? So difference is how much more? Still I am getting 14 more. So 14 upon 70. Right? So 7 twos, 7 tens. So right? So how much? 1 by 5 now, right? Here 1 is addition value. That means what? How much? 32. So 5 parts. 1 part is 32, then 5 parts is how much? 5 30s. 150, 5 2s, 10, 160. He was asking that current consumption, right? So 160 plus 32, how much? 192. It's clear, all of you? Done. So next one. The price of sugar is increased by 20%. Okay, price is increased by 20%. Right? Due to this, the family purchased 12 kg less sugar for 300 rupees. Okay, here are the questions. Find the original consumption, find the current consumption, find the original price, find the current price. Okay, so I am writing that shortcut mark. Find the original consumption, current consumption, original price, and current price. Okay, try to answer it, ma. Right? So anyone got the answer, ma? The price is reduced 20% due to this family purchased 12 kg less sugar for 300 rupees. So that means here expenditure is constant, right? So then find the original consumption, current consumption, original price, current price. Very simple question. Okay, Tejaswini, 50 kg is what, ma? Original. Check it once, ma. The sugar price is increased, ma. If the arrow mark shows upward, that means increased. If arrow mark shows downward, that means decreased. Okay. Right. Anyone got the answer, ma? Can I tell, or you are keep on trying? Okay. Remaining, ma, remaining all 21 numbers are there. No one not getting. Ma, it easy to find that original consumption and previous current consumption, na? Just price is increased, then we have getting that fraction value. Then on that we are getting that original consumption and the current consumption. That is easy, na? So that one you have to find. Original 18 kg is not, Divya. Okay. So why you are thinking differently, man? This is the normal question, right? See, initially price is how much? 100. Expenditure is how much? 100. Then price is increased 20%. That means 120. The price of expenditure is remains constant now. How much I am getting less? 20 parts less now. Upon, so minus indicates I am getting that less consumption. So upon 120, the fraction value is what? 1 by 6. He was given that one part is how much less ma here? 12 kg. Then 6 parts is how much? 72 kg, right? So here original consumption is how much? 72 kg. Current consumption, how much? After that, 12 less, how much I am getting? 60. Now, till now, this one, we are finding that same method now. We cannot using any additional information, right? Seema, here 300 rupees is given. 300 rupees in initial time, I am getting that 72 kg. After that, 300 rupees, I am getting that 60 kg. So what will happen? We can find that per kg, how much price? See, original price 300 rupees by how much quantity? 72 kg. Current price 300 rupees by 60. Then find out. So it will be easy. 5 rupees per kg. Okay. Then this one find out how much? So 4 times 4 2s 8, 4 7s are 28, right? 12 by 72. That means 1 by 6 rupees per kg. It's a normal question, ma. I'm not given any difficulty question. From to morning onwards, we are practicing this method only. Okay. Anyone has doubt, ma? Remaining all, ma. Anyone has doubt? Okay, very good, very good. Done. So next model, ma. In exam, 65% students, 65% of the students of the students passed in maths, comma 48% of students passed in physics. 30% students passed in both. How much of how much of students? How much of students? Students failed in both exams in percentage. Now try to, in your idea, what is the question, how to find, I will explain. Try to take Venn diagrams, might will be help you a lot. Okay. How we have to take it is, suppose one Venn diagram is for max, another Venn diagram is for physics, and this gap is for both. So try to answer it, ma. Okay, 17, 17, 17. Very good, ma. Right. So here we can see that this is the max, this is that physics, this is the both. Okay. Right. So many things, so many people think that this is the 65%, this is the 48%, this is the 30%. Then how we have to subtract the or find the failure candidates. So everyone we are taking that 100% is the qualified, right? Students we have to take 100% students. Here more than 100. Seema, here the logic is what? He was telling that 65% max. 65 plus 30, how much? 85. We are taking that 85. That is wrong. The complete entire circle is 65. Okay. Next one. Here also 48, the complete entire circle. We have to take middle one first. 30 both. So 65 already 30 is there. That means here we can take 35. Here 48 to 30 already there. Here 18. So total will be 35 plus 30 plus 18. How much? So 65, 75 plus 8. So 83 na? So remaining 17% are failed candidates. Okay, failed candidates. Clear? All of you. Right. Next one. So next 35% failed in math. 25% failed in English. 10% failed both. Okay. Then find the passed percent. Then find the passed percent. Right, very good, Malafin. Right. So simple. Seema, in examination, add these two, how much? 60. Subtract this one. That's it. How much? 50. Right? 50 will be failed. That means 50 will be passed. Okay. So next one, very important one. Let's check it out. A solution of salt and water. contain 5% salt. If 20 liters of water is evaporated, then salt becomes 15%. Okay. Find the initial solution. Right? Question will be different now, little bit. So salt and water solution is there, 5% is salt. If 20 liters water is evaporated, then the salt becomes 15%. Find the initial solution. Okay, find the initial solution. Rajan, not 60 liters, ma. Not 200 liters, ma. Not Divya, 80 liters is not. Right? Can I explain or remaining you are trying? What 0.4 Soumya? Actually, we are asking that in liters, na. So 0.4, how it will come? 0.4 liter, 22 liters. No, Nagarjuna. Right. I will explain. Seema. Here the logic is we have to think that, right? Suppose this is the water, right? Salt. So when you kept in outside of that this solution, because of heat, the water will be evaporated, right? So water will be evaporated, but the salt will be remains constant now. Yes or no? Salt will be remains constant. No, Jansi, 200 is not ma. 190 also is not ma, Ashwant. Wrong answer. Right? Salt remains constant now. Yes or no? The only evaporating is water only. The salt cannot evaporate. Okay? Please remember this point. Right? Here, solution ma. Solution 100% na. Initial and new. Take it. Right? Salt and water. Okay? Salt and water. Salt initially 5% is there. In new solution, 15% is there. Right? Here, salt is 5%, then water will be 95% now. And now water will be 85% now. Right? So what we have to do, generally we are doing that, we have to maintain that salt is constant value. That means we can multiply 3, right? So after that, getting that amount, the difference will be equal to the 220 liters. It will take lengthy process, right? So that easy process is I have to take fraction values. These fraction values can I take? It is easy for me. So 5 ones are 5. How much here? 19. So new one. 15 ones are 15. Sorry, 15. 5. 5 threes are 15. So how much here? 5 ones are 5 sevens. Right? I have to equate the salt into 3. That will becomes what? 3 is 2. So 3 19s are how much? 3 19s are 60, 57 na? So here 3 is to 70. So salt will be same, right? Salt will be same. How much is reduced, ma? 40 parts is reduced. That 40 parts is given 20 liters. Okay. That means one part is how much? Half liter. Then total parts here how much, ma? Initial 60 parts into half. How much? 30 liters. Okay. So I am taking that here ratio, ma. What it is the ratio? Initially 5%, 94% ratio is 1:19. Initially 15%, new is 15% and the final is 85%. Then the ratio will becomes what? 3:17. I am equating that 3 parts, ma. Okay. 3 into 3, that will be salt will be same na. The water will be initially 57 parts, now becomes 17 parts. How much is reduced? 40 parts is reduced. The 40 parts is equal to 20 liters. One part is equal to half liter. Then initially total how many parts are there? 60 parts are there. 60 parts. That means how much? 30 liters. 60 into half. 30 liters. So answer is what? 30 liters. Is everyone clear? Anyone has doubt? Ma, anyone has doubt? Final solution will be 30 liters, ma. Final solution, when we are taking that ratios, with this only we are considering, not this one. Okay, right? Initially 5% is there salt, that means remaining. So fraction ratios is the easy for calculation, ma, Ashwant. If you, can you multiply it here also into 395, it will take more time, na. So 5% ma, 5%, 95%. Okay. Here 15% salt is the 85% water. I am taking that fraction values. 5 ones are 5 19s are. Next 5 3s are 5 17s are. I have to equate salt ma. That's why I am multiplied with 3. So 357. So salt will be same na. So water here. Water will be 57 parts initially, that becomes 17 parts. How much is reduced? 40%. 40 parts is reduced. 40 parts is 20 liters. One part is 1.5 liter. Then 60 parts is how much? 30 liters. Is everything is clear? Right? First concept understand or not? In examination, we don't have time to solve these type of questions in a longer manner, right? I will explain in shortcut mode. This is also one of the method generally we are doing. What is the simple way? Salt. Okay. Salt ma. Initially, how many parts are there? 5%. Finally, 15%. The fraction value of these two, 1:3. Right? Ma, final solution how much ma? Final solution is they are asking 30 minus 20, how much? 10 liters. They are asking initial solution ma. Right? So water will be inversely proportionate ma. Remember it. If the quantity of salt is 1:3, water will be inversely proportionate. How much? 3:1. Okay. See, initially how much ma? 3 parts. Finally 2 parts. Finally 1 part. So difference is ma 2 parts. Yes or no? Then 2 parts is how much? Then 2 parts is how much ma? 20. 1 part is how much? 10. Then initial of 3 parts. 3 into 10. How much? 30 parts, 30 liters. Okay, I am explaining once. These are noted or not? I will rub here. These are noted, ma? Right. Simple, ma. Salt, water. Okay. Salt initially how much? 5%. Finally, how much? 15%. Fraction value how much? 1 by 3. This is inversely proportionate to water ma. Okay, that means water ratio will become 3 by 1. Initially the quantity is 3 parts is there. Now the final quantity is 2, 1 part is there. How much difference? 2 parts. 2 parts is given 20 liters. 1 part is given 10 liters. Then what is the initial parts? 3 parts. 3 into 10, how much? 30 liters solution is there. Okay. So now final part, 1 into 10, how much? 10 liters is there. Very simplest method ma. Solution means both salt and water cannot we add salt parts. So we cannot add the salt parts ma. Why? Because we are taking that here. See, what is the main purpose is here. Right. Salt, percentage of salt and water will be quantity. Next, percentage of salt and water will be the quantity. Okay. Quantity is same. Okay, I'm taking that quantity is same. So if quantity is same, what will happen? S1 W1 equal to S2 W2. So write S1 by S2, that means salt initial and final. So W2 by W1, that is what? Inversely proportionate. Okay, inversely proportionate. Here we are taking that solution, water will be the parts of initial parts is how much? 3 parts. The final part is how much? 1 part. So decreased part is how much? 2 parts. 2 part is 20 liters. Then 1 part is 10 liters. Then what is the 3 part? 30 liters. Right? Is everything clear, ma? Okay. Done. So in examination, no need to think ma seriously. Simply, how can we take 5 is to 15? That is 1 is to 3. Reverse order 3 is to 1. Difference 2 parts 10 liters. Then what is the 3 parts? It's over without pen and paper ma. Okay. Then next one. 12 liters of mixture of acid and water contains 30% acid. How much liter of water should be withdrawn to make acid 40%. Acid 40%. Okay. Okay. What ma? 4 liters, 1.2. Very simple question ma. See, I'm telling in shortcut method only. See, 12 liters initial mixture. Okay. 30% is acid. Now we are getting that 40%. That means acid quantity is what ma? Initially 30, finally 40. The ratio will become acid ratio 3/4 na? Right. Water ratio. Correct, Saujanya? water ratio will be 4/3. Now he was giving that initial part of how much mixture? 12 liters. That means 4 parts is 12 liters. Final part is how much? 9 liters. Then how much is reduced? One part. One part is how much? 3 liters. How much I have to withdraw? 3 liters of water withdraw. That's it, question mark. Is clear or not? Note down here. Initial quantity. This is final quantity. Okay. Initial quantity, final quantity. Okay. My everyone is clear. I am not taking too much of lengthy steps. Simply I am saying. So these one is what? Difference quantity. Quantity of difference. Quantity difference. This one. Okay. Done. So last question, very interesting question. In so many examinations they are asked. Fresh fruits contains 68% of water. 68% of water. And dry fruit contains 20% of water. Okay, full stop. How much dry fruit can be obtained from 100 kg of fresh fruits? Okay. So we already know that fresh fruits, dry fruits, right? So initially the water content is a 68% and the dry fruit contains 20%. How much dry fruits can be obtained from 100 kg of fresh fruits? Very simple now. Try it once. right? Here, what is the fruits in the content, ma? Very good, Tejaswini and Soumya. Very good, ma. Finally, you got the concept. Pulp is very important, right? Fruits pulp is important. So the water will be evaporated, but pulp will be same, na? Correct or not? Very good, ma. Ashwant and Swati. See, ma. Simple manner, no need to take any tensions. So here we are taking pulp. Okay, pulp. So pulp initially 68% is water. That means pulp is how much? 32%. Next, dry fruits, what will happen? 20% of water. That means 80% of pulp. So fraction value is how much, ma? 16 to 16.5 pulp. Okay, right. Now the water content. Fraction will be reversed now, 5/2. Yes or no? So initially, fresh fruits, 5 parts, that means 100 kg. Finally, we are getting 2 parts. That means here 20, na? Here 20. How much? 40 kg. Right? These the fresh fruits. These the dry fruits. Clear? All of you. Yes or no? Right. So in this way, we have to find these type of questions, ma. No need to worry. You have to practice. It will be remembered easily, right? So I'm reducing that. I can explain entire page with the explanation, but in examination won't works. So we have to think logically. That's why I given first initially concept, then only after that, right? Shortcuts. So try to practice these shortcuts, ma. So enjoy the day. So next concept will be profit and loss, ma. Okay, done. So practice as early as much. So the notification will come soon. Don't waste your time. Okay. Good night, all. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Welcome, ma. Welcome. Done.